So yeah, I think I'm going to write a book uh, mostly biographical, but mentioning Job quite a bit because these past 5 years have been something. And I think I'm pulling out of it. I think we're pulling out of it. My wife just had a job interview. We still have not heard from that interview, so I don't want to get too excited. I've still not heard from that company. I just celebrated my 1 year anniversary at my current job, and I never used to think that that was a big deal until this past year. Well, starting since 2021, I had job after job after job after job, and I was not trying to quit these jobs. These jobs just didn't want me, so that was upsetting, to say the least, especially when you have a family. Why don't I just trace what I see? Why don't I just do that? Why don't I stop? Why do I have to overthink? Don't overthink it. All right, zoom out. Okay, okay. All right, sure. His neck. I don't think I'm gonna keep his neck that way. I'm just gonna black it out. When in doubt, black it out. So I'm not sure what kind of celebration I'm going to have after the inking is done. I should really figure that out soon because I think it's going to happen on Monday is when I'm probably going to be done with the inking. Actually, this is going pretty fast, so it could be sooner than that. So anybody hear any news about The Chosen? The Chosen, you've probably heard of The Chosen. If you're in this stream right now, you've probably heard of The Chosen. It's a historical fiction retelling of the gospel, and I've derived a lot of inspiration from The Chosen. The next chapter of this book is going to be the way I've started writing it is, how would this be written in the Chosen? How would the Chosen write this chapter? If you're gonna steal, steal from the best. I mean, borrow. If you want to borrow, borrow from the best. So anyway, the legal challenges of the Chosen, they were being distributed by, and pardon me for not understanding, maybe I shouldn't speak of stuff that I don't understand. There's stuff that they're not saying because they're in arbitration, and so they're not coming out and being open with everything that's happening. Oh, now you can see me. Sorry about that. I didn't adjust the camera there. So the reason that The Chosen is still in theaters and not on the small screen as of yet is because of this arbitration. There is now a corporation called The Chosen, which is separate from the Angel Studios, who used to be the production company that they were going through. And something tells me it always has something to do with money. Who wants the most money? Who wants the rights to this amount of money? It's always fun and games until somebody's making money. But Dallas Jenkins says that The Chosen will be at the Chosen app eventually. And it's taking every ounce of patience that I have to wait for The Chosen to come to the small screen. I suppose I could just buy a movie ticket. That's 3 movie tickets. 3 movie tickets for myself and my wife. Maybe if my wife gets this job, then we can go to the movies. But until then, it's a little bit irresponsible to go to the movies yet.